Check. What is up, guys? Jamaica Skipper here with another reaction. So, again, we're back with Digga D. Hold it down, Digga D. Big up yourself. Me know on YouTube I go black that video, yeah? So you're probably gonna see it probably 4 or 5 days after the song release. When all the hype around the song is gone. Cause YouTube, big up on yourself. Let's go. I ain't got nothing bad to say about YouTube. YouTube, big up on yourself. Me love you know. Look a bit. Just a little bit. Big up on yourself. Let's go. Figure 1, figure 2. Bro, you been smoking from figure 3, bro? You been smoking from figure 3. Oh, let me see it, right? So, figure 1 is when he's little baby on the... But the fact that him have on the crown or something, I like it. Got the crown. So, figure 2, him have on him have a ray gun. Him have a ray gun I'm on. Figure 3 now, is really get interested dog. Man have what is? Look like a chocolate bar or a lighter. This is like a lighter or a chocolate bar. What them? I think it's a lighter to light the cigarette. Figure you're gonna ramp in a brother. Then figure 4, obviously he's a bit older now, probably teenager now. He must smoke him spliff. Teenage tries the man of a rifle dog. I'm a shotty. I like this picture. I like that picture. I like this. Not by nature, the new mixtape out. Oh, okay, April 15. Ah, see? Mad. He's been sampling a lot of 50 songs as of lately. Like 50 Cent iconic song. He's been sampling them as of lately. I like it.
Yo. So I'm with a ting and some council flats. Making squares out of cling while she counts the racks. Used to make her hold a spin, she ain't new to waps.
I know this is entertainment purpose only, but you give it the game, brother. You show the police in the game. What you dealing? Get the girl look pretty though. I like her.
Real bitch, you hold it down to the max. I felt it in my gut, I knew something went right. I'm looking out the window, all I'm seeing is lights.
I'm gonna try and pause it as much, not to make YouTube block it. So, question is Digga D on top of his game right now? As he peaked at his like him can't gonna further now wanna think? Or him still have way more figure. Wanna think? Cause I think him still have way more figure. Digga D is talented dog. Once him keep himself out of trouble and just stick to the music, bad artist.
Dogs and choppers, that's all inside. Hear them running up the stairs, they're gonna try and come inside. He booms off the door telling me get on the floor.
This sample, it come from 50 Cent 21 questions, right? At the same way 50 video start and thing went and the police and running and lock him up. And the girl, him asked the girl, do you still love me? Rare, blah, blah, blah. Would you still love me? If I get 21 years or something like that, would you still love me? I can't remember how the song go, but it's similar.
Laser to my chest, they came in ready for war. Left the money on the table, but she got rid of the raw. I can't complain, it should be only money laundering for sure.
She's a ride or die. She's trying. The police them knocking the door, boom, jump in, and she a try get rid of evidence. So she's a ride or die, bro. She's about that life. So I suppose she gonna get question also. Is she gonna tell them anything that them want to know? That is the question. If she get questioned by the police.
For sure, but it's not as 3 shootings, 2 attempted and a Glock. I'm looking in her face and all I'm seeing is shock. No bell in court, now I'm on induction wing.
I like videos like this because it actually painting a story from the start to the finish. So I'm more here for the video than the words of the lyrics. You understand? Yeah.
I got pattern up, where the fuck's my pin? Would you hold it down for me, girl? Would you come to the crown for me, girl?
What do you reckon? She go hold it down and she go fuck on him. She go hold it down and she go fuck on him.
If I went to jail, would you tell all your girls? Would you hold it down for me, girl?
Yo, she hotter than summer in Egypt. She hot. Lighter!
Would you come to the crown for me, girl? If I went to jail, would you tell all your girls?
Obviously, in my sample 50, so 50 melody, 50 flow, same way, 50, basically 50 questions. She did a smile and lie down on sofa with phone in their ears, and would you tell if I go to jail or whatever, but I asked her, and she smiled, she answered, said no, she's not gonna do that.
Fuck the blue tick, would you have still took the dick? If the plate was 08, would you have still got in the whip? If it wasn't in the sticks, would you still come to the crib? If I was broke like you, would you still wanna have?
If I never have the blue tick, would you still take the dick? Basically, in my actual say, yo, if the house never out to the countryside, would you still forward? If I wasn't Digga D, would you still be in love with me? Are you here for one thing?
I was down and out, would you still come about? Would you give them information for 100 foul? Free prints of your tits and some pussy pics.
Would you give them information for 100,000? Would you give them, if them come to you and say, yo, we know that your man is up to no good, we are going to pay you off. Would you do all of that for 100,000?
Would you give them information for 100 foul?
No.
Free prints of your tits and some pussy pics. Or instead being tape or some book of shit.
Ladies, which one out there with honestly putting a hand on the heart and hold on the man? If like, obviously, your man do something and end up in prison and you don't know, say, are you ride or die that? Would you actually hold him down?
Got problems of trust, wanna know if it's love or simply lost. You say I'm too dramatic and I'm causing a fuss. Only moaning when I hears when I'm making you bust.
Trust issues, dog. Trust issues. You have all right to ask a question them, my brother. Ask a question them to make sure say it's not lust and it's love. The man said the only moan me want hear you moan, I want time to make you bust. Not the bus will coming up. One time make you come. You make your panty wet.
Would you come to the crown for me, girl? If I went to jail, would you tell all your girls? Would you hold it?
I'm wondering if 50 is actually watching these songs. Are them brought to him attention but obviously they must get clear by him team fair use so much time sample them and not get black or 50 is about his money, right?
Would you come to the crown for me, girl? If I went to jail, would you tell all your girls?
I also like the fact where the route where I'm taking music down, like old school, the 2000, 2005 rap. I like them all beater that is going back and it's not all about the drill beats for him. Him spreading wings and I show you how versatile him is. I like that. Got that code. Obviously the beat was made over, but it very, you can tell what it is. But big up Groundworks, big up yourself, big up the actor in the video. Ladies, would you actually hold it down for Digga or hold it down for your man? Not Digga, hold it down for your man. Would you? That's the question. Anyway, this is going to leave the one. If you enjoyed the one and want some more, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. That is it, man. That is it.